Hello, and welcome to Introduction to Communications. I'm Dr. Callie Clare, and I'm your instructor for this course. I figured the best way to begin would be this short video where I introduce myself and some stuff about the class. So at this time, I'm going to show you a little bit of your way around the class. So when you log in, this is the home page. What you'll see on the home page is the same thing that you'll find over here in this Modules tab. All we want to focus on right now is this first module. So within this first module, that's all you have to do this week. You find some information about me, you can find some information about the class, and you can link to the syllabus. The syllabus is also always available over here to the left as well. You'll also see your first assignment, which is an introduction discussion board. So at this time, I just want to show you a little bit of stuff in this course orientation. So the course orientation tells you about what is communications, and then it tells you how to navigate this Canvas site. Each of our modules will be made up of different weeks, and each week will have a new topic. Our weeks will begin at noon on a Monday, and it will end the following Monday at noon. All of your work will be due at that time. What you'll see under each week, the first thing will be a task list. In that task list, you'll have a list of everything that you need to accomplish for that week. The reading assignments, the lectures to listen to, videos to watch, assignments to complete. All of that will be available to you. If at any time you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is available here. I respond to emails as quickly as I can, but I promise to respond within 24 hours on a Monday through Friday. So at this time, go ahead and look around the class, familiarize yourself with the syllabus, with the setup, email me if you've got any questions, and then your first assignment is the introduction discussion where you share some information about you. So I'm looking forward to getting to know you guys throughout this semester.